Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Arrow Bank app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Arrow Bank is a mobile banking app designed to give users convenient access to their accounts and financial services. The app allows users to check account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, deposit checks, and track transaction history, all from a single interface. It also supports customizable alerts and secure login features to help manage finances safely. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Arrow Bank for its clean interface, easy navigation, and essential banking functionalities. It provides a quick way to manage daily finances without visiting a branch, and the ability to receive notifications keeps users informed about account activity. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional glitches, slow load times, or limited advanced features compared to desktop banking platforms. Additionally, certain transactions may require verification steps that can slow down the process. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Arrow Bank app may be worth using if you're looking for a mobile-friendly solution for everyday banking tasks like transfers, bill payments, and balance tracking. It shines in convenience and security. However, if you need advanced features or full-service banking, you might still rely on desktop or in-branch options. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.